Okay, we're going to continue lesson 14. It says understand area, okay? It says session 3. Okay, so now we're refining our ideas about finding area. Okay, same thing. So how do I find the area? Just by doing what? Counting the cubes, because it's a non-regular um, uh, rectangle, okay? In other words, so if I had something like this, then I can go length times width, right? 2 times 4, okay? Because remember what I said, area equals length times width, right? So that would be 4 times 2. Okay, 4 times 2. If I had the red one, if I had this, but I don't, right? Because I still have this one right up here, correct? Okay, so I can't really do length times width because I have this little square on the outside. So my best strategy would be just by counting all the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's the area of square units? 9. Okay, it says find the area of each shape below. Couple strategies, right? I can go length times width, length times width, or what can I do? Just count them all. Okay, go ahead and do that for me. All right. So, what is the area of the red one? 6. Right? What is the area of the blue one? 1, 2, 3, 4. 24, you're right. Okay. 24 square units. Okay, or in this case, square meters. You would put the little m with the little 2 right here. And this is square feet. This would be FT. With the little 2 in the corner. Meters with the little 2 in the corner. The little 2 in the upper right hand corner, okay, just means square. Okay. Awesome. Susanna says the area of this rectangle is 12. Is she correct? I don't know. It's 12 square units because each of the small rectangles is 1 unit long. Why is Anna wrong? I mean, there's 12 shapes inside, right? But why is she wrong? Rami? Yeah, they're too long. Yes. If you look at the previous section, every shape inside is a square, right? That's why it's called square units. Are the shapes inside square? No, they're rectangles. We don't say rectangle units. Okay, that's the key word. The key word is this. Look, here's the key word. Okay, square. That means the area inside, the shapes inside an area have to be squares. Okay. All right. Rami. All right. Oh, now look at this. Very different, huh? Can I still find the area of this shape? Yes. Yes, I can. Okay. Yes, I can. So let's think about how you could find the area of this shape. First, draw the square units. So go ahead and draw the square units. All right. So, and he says to draw the square units. Whoops. That's way too thick, Mr. Partita. Here we go. To there, to there, to there, and there. It don't have to be perfect, but you get the point, right? Good. And then it says, then number the square units to find the area of the shape. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what's the square unit? 7 square units. Okay. There are units right now because we don't know if it's centimeters, meters, or inches. Okay. Fabulous. Ooh, draw your own. Okay. It says use a ruler and the dot grid below. Okay. There's specific instructions. Part A says draw a rectangle with an area of 8 square units. Okay. It says a rectangle, so I have to draw a rectangle. Okay. Then it says draw a rectangle with an area greater than 8. So that means inside the rectangle, it has to have how many? More than 8 squares. Okay. Units on the same grid. Label it with a B. Okay. So draw the first one with 8. Label it A. Draw the second one with more than 8 and label it B. And then part C says, how did you know how to draw rectangles B with an area that's greater than 8 square units? Okay, go ahead and do that for me. All right, so it says draw a rectangle with an area of 8 square units on the grid. Okay, here we go. Oops, sorry. My bad. That's way too thick. So that's 1. That's 4 right there, right? Yes? Okay. That's 6. And I could do one more. That's 8. Something like that. Okay. Can I do this? 3, 4. Can I do that? No. Even though it does have an area of 8, that's not a rectangle, is it? No. Just FYI. And it says to label it. So, A. That's my label. Okay? Or you could put it on the outside if you want, but it says to label it. A. Okay? Then it says draw a rectangle with an area that's greater than 8. I can do this. Sorry again. My bad. Something like that. Can I do something like this? No, that is not greater than 8. That's only 4. This one, that's 9. I can do that. Okay. Or, I'll keep it like this. Okay. So if you want to draw the lines like this, that's fine. You can do that. Okay. They're not perfect, but you get the point. Then it says, oh, perfect. So here's this. Like this. Just connect them with dots, right? And then we need to label it. I'll put the B right here on the outside. B. Okay. And then just to answer the question, how did you know how to draw your rectangle B with an area that is greater than 8 square units. How do I know to make it big? How do I know to make it greater than 8? Okay, I read the directions. What else? I had to make sure that the squares on the inside were more than 8 squares, right? Boom. So it says explain how you can find the area of a rectangle drawn on a dotted square, dotted grid. This is a dotted grid, okay? So here's a rectangle. Explain to me, how could I find the area for that? Okay, you said draw the line, so I mean, you mean connect all the dots? So you said to connect all the dots like this. Okay, and then you also said that you need to then just count all the squares, right? Yes? Awesome. Can I do it this way? No. They have to be straight. See how I'm making squares? I'm not making rectangles inside? Excellent. Next week we're gonna really focus on using A equals length times width. Okay, we're gonna be doing that next week. So the length would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times what's the width? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 5. What does it equal?
45.
Equals 45. Okay, perfect. All right, we're gonna do page 1 and page 2. Okay, I'm gonna do a couple examples on each one, and then you're gonna work on it. So look at page 1, and you're gonna put the answer on those lines right here. Okay. So number one says find the area. Each square is a square unit. Okay, that means I need to count them. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh, takes forever. So then go to the line across like this. And the answer is
30.
30. 30, sorry. 30. Okay? That's all you got to do. So let's go on to page 2. Same thing. There are square units. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Ha 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 ha. So then go to our line. And how much was it? 24. Bam.